morning. Hey, welcome to Tourism Tuesdays. We're down here at the Bike and Trike, Java Peddler down here on Broadway. Embrace winter, whether you want fat bikes, e-bikes, a stationary trainer, maybe you just want to rent some bikes. This place has it for you down here, and Chesney and I are going to go inside and check out the bike scene.
All right, so we are inside the Bike and Trike, and just for reference, their hours are Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, and Saturdays from 9 to 3. They have a full coffee bar, and they also have a bunch of bike accessories. These would be a great stocking stuffer, water bottles, bike holders, lights, make sure that bikes are well lit for the road, and all kinds of things. So definitely get down here and check it out. All right, so even though the weather is cold and it's snowy outside, you can still get out and have fun. Bike and Trike rents these are called fat tire bikes. They rent them out all year round. They're only $45 a day to rent, and you can go out anywhere and explore. And they are a blast to ride in the snow. It's definitely a lot of fun, something new to try. If riding bikes isn't your thing in the winter, you can also get your bike repaired. It's a great time to do that while the weather is cold, so it's a good time to get them repaired and tuned up for the spring.
So Bike and Trike just doesn't sell bicycles. They do a lot more. They have gear, shifters, accessories, equipment for your bike, maybe your bike rack. If you have any questions about bicycles, give them a call or go to their website, bikeandtrike.com. You can also follow them on Instagram and Facebook. They also have events year-round too. So again, don't let winter get you down. Check out Bike and Trike and have a great cup of coffee at the Java Peddler while you're down here.